first morning in my tiny house. I should probably start off my first morning here by making my bed if I want to be responsible. Water before coffee is a must. Good morning once again. I'm feeling pretty sluggish. I took some sleepy time tea last night, a kind that I'd never had, and I feel like it might have been strong because the box said, for the occasional restlessness. And I wasn't feeling restless when I took it. I was just like, oh, I'm sleeping in a new location. Maybe I'll need the extra help. But I'm really sensitive to like nighttime PM things. I don't really take Tylenol or anything like that, but like if I have to ever take NyQuil or Tylenol PM, I'm just like knocked out and then groggy the entire next day, and that's kind of how I'm feeling. So coffee is necessary. Cheers. Taking some probiotics. I wasn't planning to do like a morning routine video, but I guess that's kind of what this is, since it's my first morning in the tiny house. If you enjoy this kind of content, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and let me know what else you would like to see. I just want to say that now because I might forget, because I'm groggy. Oh, can I sleep more? It's pretty late in the morning, so it would be ridiculous to go back to sleep. I'm gonna meditate.
Just where it was needed, gleaming black as night, cloistered in injustice.
Time to journal. We have my morning pages journal, my planner, and my scripting journal. Look at those trees out my windows. I love it. Also, that stool is really cute. Everything's really cute. I love it all.
When we're finally sober, they'll be gone. The trees will bloom and ice will melt.
still not fully functioning. I think I'm gonna skip scripting because I just manifested a completely new level of life. And when I tend to do that, usually I'm like, I'm cool with just resting here for a while without trying to create more, just enjoying what is. And even when I am in like manifestation mode and scripting and doing all that, I'm still enjoying what is, but I'm also excited for like this massive life shift, which again, I'm in right now. So I will leave it at that. Oh yeah, I did some card pulls after my meditation, but I forgot to film that. So that was part of my morning routine as well. Cheers. Dark right there. But with that, my first morning in my tiny house is complete. I hope you enjoyed. I didn't do a whole lot of talking because again, I'm still a little groggy. Next time I will not have the sleepy time tea. Oh yeah, on an ideal morning, I would probably want to go for a walk in the woods, but I have a client call in less than an hour that I need to get ready for. So maybe I'll do a more full, complete morning routine soon when I have this space in the morning. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, comment below with what else you would like to see as far as my tiny home adventure goes, or any like manifestation video requests. I can do that as well, or anything you have to request, really. Let me know what you would like to see. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and if you're not subscribed, click subscribe and follow along because there's a lot more to this journey. But thank you for being here, and I will see you guys soon. All right, bye guys. Cheers.